So in last lecture, we see that how Mayor has made fun of Pied Piper by not paying him his due amount. Okay, that was 1,000 guilders. Now we will move to Act Second and Scene Third. Light falls on the narrator. So now the light on the stage falls on the narrator. Narrator, once again the Pied Piper stepped into the street. Laying his long pipe and touching his teeth, he blew 3 notes. He danced and he skipped. So once again, first he went into the streets and played a flute and made all the rats run, made all the rats follow him. And now what he is doing, he once again stepped into the street. He took his long pipe and put this pipe in his mouth, and he blew only 3 notes. He danced and he skipped. He moved here and there and danced. Okay. The children, now out of their rat costumes are seen rustling, hopping, dancing and skipping behind the Pied Piper. So now the children who were in first rat costumes, and now they have put off their rat costumes. Why? Because rats का रोल वहाँ पे ख़त्म हो गया. क्योंकि ड्रामा यही होता है जहाँ पे आप कोई रोल प्ले करते हो. पहले चिल्ड्रंस ने कौन सा रोल प्ले किया? रैट्स का रोल प्ले किया. अब रैट्स का रोल ख़त्म हो गया क्योंकि रैट्स जो है वो पूरे ड्राउन हो गए रिवर में. तो अब यही चिल्ड्रन जो है दे आर प्लेइंग नाउ अ रोल ऑफ ए, द सेम चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ ए children now. First they played the role of rats and now these children are playing the role of children because the rats का role जो है वो खत्म हो गया. The children now out of their rat costumes, they are now out of their rat costumes, are seen rustling, hopping, dancing and skipping behind the Pied Piper. So they are rustling. Rustling means to move here and that skipping also means to move here and they are mast magan. Huh? They are hopping. Hopping means to jump, dancing and skipping behind the Pied Piper. So they are dancing behind him. Okay. Narrator, the Pied Piper played such sweet, soft notes that forced the children out of their homes and kindergarten. So he played such a soft, sweet notes, and those notes forced the children to come out of their homes. The way rats were forced to come out of each and everything, in the same way children were also forced to come out from their homes and kindergarten. And this was because the Pied Piper played a mysterious note on the flute. Boys and girls run out, smiling, flashing their smiles. Flashing means showing their smiles. Skipping and laughing, jumping and laughing. Narrator, like fowls in a farm when grain is scattered, came the little boys and girls with rosy cheeks and curls. So like fowls means poultry. When you throw grain, when you scatter a grain for these chicken and all, how do they scatter? Matlab, how do they come? So they come quickly and eat the grains, okay? Like fowls in a farm when grain is scattered so the little boys and girls came in the same way like fowls in a farm come when grain is scattered before them. Scattered means chakravan. With rosy cheeks and curls, and these children were very cute with rosy cheeks and curls like you people, okay? You people are also very cute. With rosy cheeks and curls. So now we will move to Act Third and Scene First. The mayor and the council stand frozen. They are unable to move. They watch their children led by the Pied Piper. So mayor and the council stand frozen. Frozen means that they are not able to move. Okay, they are shocked. They are unable to move. They watch their children led by the Pied Piper. So they are watching their children. They are struck. They are awestruck. They are in shock, and they are seeing how their children are following Pied Piper. Narrator, the mayor fell dumb and so did the council. So both mayor and the council of ministers felt dumb, means they are not able to speak. They are shocked. They were frozen stiff. Stiff means hard, and frozen means not to move from here and there. Okay, so they are not able to move. They were unable to move a step or cry to their children. They were not able to move. They even didn't cry for their children. They were shocked. Okay. All they could do was follow them with their eyes. So all they could do was only see their children following Pied Piper. Mayor struggling to talk out of the corner of his mouth. So Mayor is trying, he's struggling, he's trying very hard to talk. They are turning to the river. So Mayor is confused. He is shocked. He's struggling very hard to speak. So ultimately he speaks up and he tells they are turning to the river. Who are turning to the river? Children. Corporation member alarmed. So corporation member is also alarmed. He is shocked. He is afraid. What will happen to our sons and daughters? So what will happen to them? Narrator. The Pied Piper turned, leading the children to Koppelberg Hill. At once the townsfolk were revealed. So the Pied Piper turned. So the mayor and the corporation member thought that their sons and daughters will be taken to the river by Pied Piper. But what happened? The Pied Piper took the children to the Koppelberg Hill, leading the children. He led the children to Koppelberg Hill. At once the townsfolk were relieved. So kuch time tak the people of this Hamlin were relieved. They thought that the Pied Piper would also drown the children in river the way he drowned the rats. Okay, but they were relieved. Relieved means लंबी सांस लेना सुकून के साथ, ठीक है, because उनको लगा था कि because they thought that they might also get drowned in the river. Townsfolk looking elated. Elated means happy. Okay, so they are looking happy. He cannot cross that mighty hill. His pipe will drop. The children will stop. So townsfolk is telling to themselves, वो खुद से ही बात कर रहे, he cannot cross that mighty hill. वो ये mighty hill, mighty means large hill, big. Okay, so they are telling to themselves, they are giving hopes to themselves that he cannot cross that mighty hill. His pipe will drop. The children will stop, because by playing notes on the flute continuously will ache your mouth, isn't it? उससे आपके माउथ में थोड़ा पेन हो जाता है जब आप कंटिन्यूसली फ्लूट बजाते हो. सो द टाउन फोक इज होपिंग दैट द Pied Piper will get the lips or the mouth of the Pied Piper will ache, and he will ultimately stop playing notes. And what will happen after the stopping the notes? The children will also stop. Narrator. But when they reached the mountainside, a wondrous portal opened wide, as if a part of the hill were suddenly hollowed. The Pied Piper marched in, and the children followed. All except a lame child entered. So, but when they reached the mountainside, what happened? A wondrous. Wondrous means that will make you wonder, okay? That will shock you. A wondrous portal, wondrous gate. Portal means gate. It opened wide, as if part of the hill were suddenly hollowed. So it opened, ऐसे वो पोर्टल खुला, ऐसे वो गेट खुला, ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे कुछ पहाड़ का कुछ हिस्सा जो है उसको खोखला कर दिया गया हो. खोखला में hollow means खोखला करना. आ रही है मेरी बात समझ में? So it as if the hill were suddenly hollowed, as if it was the portal opened in such a way that as if the hill was what? Hollowed. The Pied Piper marched inside the hill, and the children followed, and the children also followed. All except the lame child entered. Everybody entered except the lame child. Lame child, limping slowly and sadly. So limping means लंगड़ा के चलना, ठीक है? It's dull in our town. All my friends are gone. So now nobody is left there. All have gone inside the mountain. And now this limp child is talking to himself, and he's telling that it's now dull in our town because nobody is of my age in my town. How can I play? with whom I will play. All my friends are gone. I saw the sights that they saw. The joyous land where waters gushed and fruit trees grew. Everything was strange and new. Where? Inside the mountain. So जब ये दरवाज़ा खुला तो जब वो चिल्ड्रन एंटर हो गए, शायद उसने कुछ थोड़ा सा मंजर देखा बाहर से ही. लेम चाइल्ड ने वो माउंटेन के अंदर का जो नज़ारा है वो दूर बाहर से ही देखा. सो व्हाट ही इज सेइंग, आई सा द साइट्स दैट दे सा. जो उन्होंने देखा वो मैंने भी देखा. क्या? द जॉयस लैंड वेयर वाटर्स गश्ड. वाटर गश मीन्स to move rapidly, okay, and fruit trees grew. जहाँ पे fruit trees थे, मेवे थे. Everything was strange and new. So everything was different, everything was new. The sparrows were brighter than peacocks. So there inside the hill, the sparrows were brighter than peacocks. Their dogs outran our deer. Their dogs are outran means their dogs are better than our deer. Deer कितना खूबसूरत होता है. So he is telling the dog that was inside the mountain, inside the hill, was more beautiful than the deer that is present in our land. Their honeybees had lost their sting, and their horses were born with eagle's wings. So honeybees have lost their stings means the honeybees in the mountain, in the hill, are without sting. They don't bite, they don't cut, okay, they are sweet honeybees. Sting means cut. And their horses were born with eagle's wings. And the horses are born with wings. Just imagine horse with wings, okay. I was left outside all alone. So he's telling that I was left, poor child, or isn't it? He's a very poor child. I feel very pity over him because he's left all alone there, okay, nobody to play with him. I couldn't enter the promised land. I had to go back home. So I couldn't enter that promised. Promised means very beautiful. Here promised means beautiful. I had to go back home. Narrator. Hamlin, having suffered a great tragedy, having lost all its children, tried to pay the Pied Piper, but he was nowhere to be found. So Hamlin has suffered now loss. First of all, it got this rid of rats. That was a blessing for them, and now there's a curse for them that they have lost all their children, and it was because of the foolishness of Mayor, who didn't pay Pied Piper his desired amount, that was 1,000 guilders, and it was the punishment for the people of Hamlin, that they lost their children, okay. So they tried to pay Pied Piper, but he was nowhere to be found, okay. Now when they hunt Pied Piper response, मगर Pied Piper मिलो ना कोई नहीं जाए, ठीक है. So he was nowhere to be found. So they wanted to pay him in order to get their children back, but he was nowhere, okay. They have lost all their children. It was a big tragedy for them, okay. Narrator. So before I go, let me leave you with words of wisdom. So now narrator is telling, before I go, before we finish this drama, before I go to the off stage, so let me leave you with words of wisdom. Let me go from here by telling you the words of wisdom, okay. Words of wisdom means to give some advice, to give some wise advice, okay. So before I go, let me leave you with words of wisdom. Let me give you some words of wisdom. कुछ दानाई की बात मैं आपसे करना चाहता हूँ. Whether they pipe us free of rats or mice or provide us with a service, if we have given them our word, we must keep our promise. So whether they pipe us free of rats or mice, if they have freed you, if they have made you free from rats and mice, or they have provided you with your service, isn't it? Once you lafaz word, when you give your word, you must keep your promise, okay. बोलते हैं ना लफ्ज़ कोई चीज़ होती है. लफ्ज़ कोई कारोबार होता है, वो किस चीज़ पे होता है? लफ्ज़ पे होता है. चलो मैं ये दूंगा आपको, इतने पैसे दूंगा आपको. You must keep a word and you must keep a promise. It was the punishment for the people of Hamlin. It was the punishment for Mayor that he didn't keep his promise. He promised Pied Piper to pay the sum of 1,000 guilders. And after getting rid from the rats, after getting rid from the rats, the service that Pied Piper had provided to them, that was getting rid of the rats. And what did Mayor do instead? Instead, Mayor didn't pay him anything and made fun of him. And now he was, अब उसने इस गलती का मजा चखा, नतीजा चखा. वो क्या था? That he had lost all the children from his town. And this drama gives us this lesson that we should always keep our promise. We should never break our promises. We should always keep a word. We have finished reading of this lesson. Tomorrow we will go through the grammar and we will finish this lesson tomorrow. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself.